Din ako mahadlok og dako.
Nagkatangin na Sam?
Nagyapon. Ang padongan ang padongan to Toledo kay mo pang kanon.
She will have kids soon. No, I'm talking about like doesn't look like you like the third option. Haha.
Masaag.
I know na. Doesn't look like you like the third option. Uh-huh. Or third, just don't have any kids. I understand now. Wala ka.
Kadumdum ka Balay Roads pa.
Ala, ikaw na. I am in the top 1, very wealthy. Oh, you are? A woman eggs quality starts to decline at around age 32, so anytime before then will be less likely to have health complication. But don't rush things. 25 to 32 is a long time.
Di lagi ka pa pagkali sa oo. Ngani lagi ka pirmi sa wala.
Nga bananglitan ang inigwala ni mo ari day lusot ibo.
Hello babe, Harisol, Eraslan.
Nya ang checkpoint kay digibalhin na din sa ko. Sa unakan. Gibutang og tin.
Tin gid ya.
Nga ganiya upat ka bukas ng inspection.
Cheater. That's everybody cheater.
Alang daghan mga
Kids will be here soon. I'm gonna say hi guys. I'm Hannah's daughter. I'm Hannah's son. My father's is I don't know. My dad, I don't have dad.
Sagaran bag-o man nga mga pulis ang ipasayan sa traffic. Nga bag-o. Pero dili na.
Little Hannah will come like an earthquake.
Ilhan man imong mga karaan agad kay.
Guys, I would like to.
Buktonan ka ng badge ba?
And you look even extra happier than your usual happy self tonight. Bitaw Stuart. I'm so very happy man. I'm happy man. I guess guys, when I have a baby guys, this would gonna be look. Or this one, gonna like this. This one. Lol, wait, I think I'm still loading what the heck the topic is. The topic is not. The topic is kanang baby Stuart when should be give birth in the exact, what is the exact what is the exact age you gonna do give birth. There is a topic. I don't know, Sisho. Okay, what? Lola na want a more Asian looking baby. I want a zombie looking baby, guys. Plus 10 kilo is it. Don't prigi na. Ala ka patay. Ala guys, what are you talking about that guys? Bitaw guys, in myself, I'm not ready. Lots of things to do first. Second is I need to go anywhere before gonna have baby or whatever is that. A monkey. And enjoy my life with family. Enjoying my life with me. Me and I myself.
Yan ang sakyanan nga Montero.
What? What's yung mata? Okay, what's up, lol? Okay, there is a lol. Hana one more Asian. What is your baby ate Shinidan? What she or he looks like? Is the dad of your babies are American or what? Japanese? Okay, well, but now I just thought of bata, which made me gutom to eat bata gur. Lami Indonesia.